This is the REDTIGER F17 Elite. It's a 4K, 1080p and 2.5K dash cam setup. I've already taken everything out. It's beautifully packed inside the box. You get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. This is for the rear camera. This is your power supply. So you've got a USB Type-C, or cigarette lighter or power socket, whatever you want to call them, for your car. You've got a little crevice tool to prise it open and put the wires through. This is the 2.7K reversing camera. Quite nice. You also, I better go back here, you also get a spare adhesive pad for that. This is the main camera itself. This is actually the 1080p. Flip it over, this is the main camera, this is the 4K one. This little pad here slides off. You get a spare one, so you can actually position the camera in two different spots, and you also get a spare adhesive pad. These are little wire routers, I suppose you'd call them. Little adhesive pads, so you can pop them on the car wherever you like and just run the wire through the little slot on the back. You get a little card. You get these little pads here which go on the glass. You get the REDTIGER app quick book and the main user manual for the F17 Elite, again for the REDTIGER. Funny enough. So now that we've had a look at it, obviously we need to go and fit it. I've got the rear dash cam fitted. That's the rear dash cam. That's the internal dash cam. And there is the forward facing camera. We're checking out the REDTIGER F17 Elite dash cam, and this is giving you an idea of what's in front, behind, and of course in the cabin. And you've got 3 cameras all operating at the same time and recording, which is absolutely fantastic. And you can read obviously the regos of the vehicles in front and behind. So what more do you need? I thought I'd take the REDTIGER F17 Elite dash cam for a bit of a run. That's forward facing. Now we're looking rear facing. We're going to have a look inside the cabin. This is all at night time, so the lights, you know, really illuminate. It's amazing. This is again forward facing, and it's all in colour, and that is absolutely brilliant. Now, my final thoughts on the REDTIGER F17 Elite dash cam. It's got something that's really handy. Apart from 3 cameras, it's also got a super capacitor. Now the super capacitor, you go, so what? You know, what does that mean? Well, it's a big thing actually. In the event of an accident and the power supply gets shut off, you know, unexpectedly, what will normally happen is your dash cam footage is lost. A super capacitor has enough charge to actually close down the video recording correctly and save it. So you've got a record of the accident itself. So that is a big thing, and well worth getting the REDTIGER F17 Elite dash cam just for that alone. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Appreciate a comment or two. And with a bit of luck, might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.